Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer, and today we're here because we're going to be unboxing my Stitch Fix box for the month of November. So real quick, for those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is an online personal styling service. You pay $20 whenever you want to have a box styled for you. You're going to fill out your style profile to give your measurements and your likes and dislikes about fashion, and then a stylist is paired with you. He or she will choose 5 items to send to you in your box, and those items can be clothing, shoes, jewelry, purses, jackets, whatever you want, and you can indicate in your profile the things you want to have sent and what you don't want to have sent to you. Those items are going to get shipped to you for free, and you're going to try them on in the comfort of your own home, and you'll decide what you like and what you don't like. If you keep at least 1 item from the box, then the $20 styling fee does get applied to whatever you're keeping. And if you keep all 5 items, you're going to get a 25% discount on the total cost of the box, and you get to apply the $20 styling fee. I no longer have that $20 styling fee for each box because a couple of years ago I was offered the Style Pass, and so each year I pay $49 to have unlimited fixes sent to me for the year. For this box, I did request items to help me transition into the cooler temperatures. It is cooling down here in North Carolina, and so I'm starting to look for those sweater pieces and things like that that will help me to transition into late fall, early winter. Stitch Fix now does a fix preview where they will send you 10 items to look at, and you can select up to 5 items to have sent to you in your box. And for this fix, I did select all 5 items. So we're gonna get into the box to see what I got for this month. When you open up your box, it looks like this. You're gonna see your prepaid mailer envelope. This envelope is used to send back anything that you don't want, or if you need to make exchanges, you're gonna put it in this bag and send it back to Stitch Fix. I love that Stitch Fix offers free shipping both ways. It's really nice and convenient. You're gonna have your envelope, and inside your envelope is your price invoice sheet, and this is fix number 39 for me. And you're also gonna have your Oh Hello card, which is a note from your stylist, but it also gives styling suggestions for the items that are in your box. And so I'm gonna read my note from my stylist real quick. It says, "Hi, lovely Jennifer. I'm so glad you loved your fix. I look forward to reading your notes and picking out styles you're going to quote unquote fall in love with each time. I'm sure COVID restrictions make things a lot more complicated and harder. Even with preschool masks, lanyards, their own water bottles, art supplies, etc., they even have restrictions on anyone allowed in the building. I cried for the first couple of days. On the other hand, she didn't care and is thriving. Okay, well, for your fix, I'm so glad you picked the gray satchel. It will be your favorite." I forgot about that. I did pick a purse out for this fix. "The plum cardi will go great over the yellow floral top, and try playing with patterns by wearing it with the all plaid pants from fix number 13. Try the crochet top with the Liverpool skinny pants in navy from fix number 30, and the burnt orange cardi from fix number 28. XX Cara." And so I have been one of the lucky ones. I've had the same stylist for all 39 fixes, and she does a fantastic job. So here is my style cards. And so I'm really excited about getting a new purse. I don't buy purses a lot, so it's a nice way to get a new purse for fall. So I'm gonna pull out the purse first. And so this is by Market and Spruce, the Hattie satchel with removable pouch in light gray. And so here's what the purse looks like. It's just a nice neutral gray color for fall and winter. It does have a front pocket, but it also has this little extra pouch right here that has that snake skin print, which is really pretty, and it's got like black and some gold and shimmery and gray. Very pretty. A dark gray strap. I like that it has the longer strap if you want to use it, but I prefer to use the shorter straps. It has a striped interior. It has an inside pocket. It has plenty of room. It also has an extra little slide pocket maybe where you would want to put your cell phone or whatever else. But it has a good amount of space on it, and I like that. It has a zipper closure, which is really nice. So the last purse I got from Stitch Fix was a coral purse, and I've used it a lot. So I like the size of this one a little bit better because it's a little bit bigger. So that's a nice item to have. And here's my bundle. It has some really pretty colors. I think this is the cardigan. This is the yellow top that she wants me to put the purple cardigan over. I think that's that Daniel Rainn top, and then this is a sweater that I picked. So let's look at it. So first off on top is by Market and Spruce, the Tawnee Cotton Blend Waffle Stitch Pullover in burgundy. So it's a sweater. It has burgundy, it has a cream, it has kind of like a, almost looks like pink, but I think it's the combination of the burgundy and the cream together. And it's just got the stripes going down. Has that waffle texture I love the colors. I'll get up close so you can see the texture of the sweater. So yeah, I think that's just a really pretty sweater for fall and winter. I like that. Next is by Rainn. This is the Selinka Crochet Detail Cotton Blend Knit Top in Off-White. And so this is the top. And so it has this cream crochet detail right here at the top. It does have like a really soft, kind of stretchy feel to it. It has some navy, kind of like a, I guess it's not really a mustard color, but it's kind of like a, I don't know what you would describe that color, but it's got some brown. I'm gonna get up close so you can see the pattern here. Some really nice colors for fall. Just has a basic back. And I like the fabric. It feels soft and comfortable to wear, so I'm excited about that. Next is another item by Market and Spruce. This is the Orlee Mixed Material Sleeveless Top in Mustard. And so I don't mind a sleeveless top in the fall if I can layer a cardigan over top of it. So this is a really pretty mustard color. And it has some burgundy, it looks like a little bit of navy in there, a little bit of a lighter blue on this yellow mustard background. It does have a little bit of stretch to it. It feels soft and comfortable, but I think that's really pretty. Has that split neck, but it does have some ruffled detail up here at the top, which is really pretty and has like some feminine details there. So yeah, I think that's really pretty. I like the reds with the mustard color. And then last I have by Lety and Me, the Bristol Pointelle cardigan in dark purple. And she suggested putting the cardigan over top of the yellow top, so I'm gonna do that. So it's this really pretty dark purple cardigan. It may be hard to see the pointelle detail, but it's really pretty. It's kind of lightweight. I guess if you would call it kind of like a medium weight, but it does have some like where you can see through the fabric, so it might not be too heavy or too hot. It's just a really pretty open cardigan here. It does have some ribbing down here at the bottom of the sleeves, and it does have pockets right here, which is nice. So I think that'll be really pretty over that yellow top. So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get ready and do a try on, and I'll be right back. All right guys, I'm back with the first item, and on top I have the Market and Spruce Orlee Mixed Material Sleeveless Top in mustard. And so it has some really pretty colors in it. I'm gonna come up close so you can see. It has like a dark burgundy red, some dark navy, a little bit of a lighter blue, some white or cream on this mustard background. It has this ruffle detail up here around the neck with the split neck right here. It does have like a line coming down right here. The front is the polyester material where the back is stretchy, but it has that same pattern on the back, which makes it nice. It comes down to an okay length. It is about the same, maybe a touch longer in the back, but about the same hemline on the front and in the back. So I'm gonna try it on that purple cardigan like my stylist suggested, and I'll be right back. All right guys, I'm back with the cardigan, and this cardigan is by Lety and Me. This is the Bristol Pointelle cardigan in dark purple. And she said to put it over top of this yellow top. Now the colors in the top are red, but I think the dark purple cardigan does bring out those colors nicely. The cardigan has that pointelle detail that you can see right there. It's really pretty. The sleeve length is really nice. It has the two pockets. It is a good layering piece because I think it'll be good for fall and transitioning into the cooler months. So I think it's a good combination together. What do you guys think about these two items together? I think the purple looks nice over the yellow. All right, I'm gonna try on the next item and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back with my third item, And this is also by Market and Spruce, a Tawnee cotton blend waffle stitch pullover. And so it's just a really nice waffle knit pullover with the dark purple, the cream, and then like I said, this little mixture right here is just a mixture of the cream and the purple together, but it almost looks pink when you look at it. The sleeve length is good. I know a lot of people don't like when the stripes don't line up, so I feel like these stripes line up pretty well. It comes down a decent length here and about the same in the back. I like the colors, and I think it'll be a good sweater as we're going into the cooler months. So what do you guys think about this particular sweater? I think it'd be good for wearing to work and things like that. So I think it's really pretty. All right, I'm gonna try on the Daniel Rainn top with the cardigan and the pants as suggested by my stylist. Be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with this Daniel Rainn top, and this is the Selinka crochet detail knit top, and my stylist suggested that I pair it with the navy Liverpool pants that I have and a burnt orange cardigan, but I'm gonna look at the top first. So it has this really pretty crochet detail. I do have on a black cami. The colors are great for fall. It's got some browns and some reds and blues and peaches and things like that. The length is about a 3/4 length sleeve. The material is very stretchy. It does have a button on each sleeve right here. But like I said, the material is super stretchy. So here it is with the pants. It doesn't come down a lot longer, maybe a touch, but not much in the back. But like I said, I love how soft and stretchy and comfortable it is. Let me put the cardigan on over top. And so here is the burnt orange cardigan that she suggested that she has sent to me in a previous fix. And I do think it pulls out the colors in the top very nicely, and it matches the pants very well. I think everything just kind of goes well to create this really nice fall look, but you guys tell me what you think. Let me grab the purse so we can see what we think. And so here is the purse. Also by Market and Spruce. This is the Hattie satchel with removable pouch. And so, like I said, it's a nice neutral color for fall. Plenty of pockets, the extra little pouch. I like the shorter straps, but also that you can make it longer if you really want to. And there's plenty of space inside the purse for everything that I have that I need to carry. The coral purse that they sent me is actually a little bit too small for what I need, but I've been using it anyway, so, but you guys tell me what you think. Is this a good outfit for fall? All right, I'm gonna get changed and I'll be back to do a recap and to talk about some prices. All right, guys, I'm back to do a recap and to talk about some prices, and overall I think this was another great fix. My stylist always does a fantastic job. The first item on the list is by Lety and me, the Bristol Pointelle cardigan in dark purple, and that was this cardigan right here. I love the color, I love the Pointelle details. As a teacher, I love a cardigan because I like to layer my clothing items because it gets so cold in my classroom. And so the cost of this was $48, and I think I'm gonna keep that. Next was by Daniel Rainn, the Selinka crochet detail knit top in off-white, and that was this top right here. I think it paired very well with the style suggestions from my stylist. She told me to put it with my navy Liverpool pants and then to put the burnt orange cardigan over top of it, and I thought that made for a really nice fall outfit. The material is soft and stretchy and comfortable, and I love the crochet detail, and the cost of this, of course, is going to be expensive because it's Daniel Rainn, but it was $64. Next, I had 3 Market and Spruce items. The first one is the Orlee mixed material sleeveless top in mustard, and that was this yellow top right here that had the ruffle details and things like that. So I thought this paired very well with the purple cardigan, and this is $58. A little expensive for what it is, but I thought it went well with the cardigan. The next Market and Spruce item was the Tawnee cotton blend waffle knit pullover in burgundy. I feel like when we get into sweater weather, the prices of clothing items tend to go up. So the cost of this one is $68. It was the most expensive item in my box. It is very pretty. It was soft and comfortable. Just a really nice fall winter sweater, if you ask me. So a little pricey, but I did like it. And then last but not least was another bit of a pricey item, and that was this purse by Market and Spruce. This is the Hattie satchel with removable pouch in light gray. And so I don't really buy myself purses very often, so this is a little bit of a splurge for me. I probably buy a purse maybe once or twice at most a year, and I needed a new purse for fall and winter, so I think this is a good neutral color. The size was perfect for me, so I do think that I'll probably be keeping it, and its cost was $64. So this was a little bit of a pricier fix for me. My stylist pick subtotal was $302. The buy all discount takes off 25%, which will take off $75.50. And that leaves me with an order subtotal of $226.50. Shipping is free, and I don't have any credit, so my total will be the $226.50. You guys tell me what you think. Did you like these items? Do you think these are good items for fall and winter? What was your favorite item from my box? Just let me know what you think. I always like to hear your feedback and to get some of your opinions on the items, but overall I think it was a pretty good fix. All right guys, I always forget to tell people to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like videos like this, because I do Stitch Fix unboxings for myself monthly, for my husband every, I would say, quarter, and then for my daughter every 2 to 3 months based on her needs in her closet. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments boxes below. All right guys, until next time, bye.